Hello, my name is Brian Higgins, and I'm working with VA Palo Alto and CCHI. A few years ago, I worked at a VA blind center, and we stressed independence, and that was our primary focus for the veterans. And I have worked with thousands of people who are blind and visually impaired over the past 30 years, where I strive to improve their lives. And this is why I've developed the Smart White Cane for the blind, which was demonstrated earlier at the IEX event in Washington, D.C. Now let's take 30 seconds. Everyone close your eyes. Imagine you are now a blind veteran. Here's a white stick. Now find your way to work. How would you get out of the house? What form of transportation would you take? And how do you know if that transportation dropped you off at work? Now do all of this without bumping into any obstacles. Now open your eyes. This is the reality many veterans experience on a daily basis. People who are blind and visually impaired are still using an outdated navigation tool. They're still using a 100-year-old white cane in a highly technological world. There are approximately 1 million veterans in the U.S. who are legally blind and have trouble performing daily activities. Also, there are 300 million people who are visually impaired in the world. As I mentioned earlier, I'm a blind veteran myself, so I'm well aware of the challenges veterans face with low vision and blindness. Some veterans shut themselves up for years because they don't feel safe navigating the world. The safer the veterans feel, the more they will accomplish in life. Now imagine having a white stick, not having that white stick, but a state-of-the-art smart white cane with the latest navigational sensors and phone apps for object detection and avoidance. We need to bring all these features, including the latest sensors for navigating, to support blind veterans, or everyone, to increase the quality of their lives. Veterans deserve a custom cane that will increase their sense of safety as they navigate the world in which they live. I have conceptualized several designs over the past few years and have created a working prototype which costs around $190. This is what the Smart White Cane looks like. It's just a small device attached to a standard white cane. It has a LiDAR sensor which measures distance to objects and converts that information to variable tones. Also, when you get close to an object, there's a vibrate motor, provides haptic feedback the closer you get to that object. This version of this cane has been tested by several professionals from different VA blind centers around the country. Recruitment has started for a pilot test with veterans at the VA Palo Alto Blind Rehab Center. This custom cane has received a patent and is held by the VA. It's my dream and ultimate goal to make this Smart White Cane available to all veterans nationwide and worldwide, to be used on their white canes, four-wheel walkers, and wheelchairs. I'm looking for an industrial partner to license this patent and bring this product to market. Thank you.